Da 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 da. This channel is strictly for viewers ages 18 and up. I do not use or promote the sale of illegal drugs or harmful substances. This video was recorded in California, a legal recreational state under the laws of Prop 64.
What it do, baby? Yeah, you already know.
You niggas ain't shit, and I ain't capping. Your bitch, you let me hit, she said that I'm a savage. I pull up with a stick and let you niggas have it. You can get wet up and shot like a basket. Bitch, I'm a star, no, you can't take no pictures. DM stay open to all of your niggas. You can get rolled up and smoke like a swisher. Eat on it, cook like it was your last dinner.
YouTube! And hi YouTube. What is good, guys? You already know it's your girl King. Go to another freaking YouTube video today, as you can see by the title of this video, we're gonna be doing something different. Because listen, y'all told me the last time I did tacos, they wasn't like street. So I'm like, okay, I'm black, I should know it's the street, you know what I'm saying? I should know what the street vibes are, but you know, I'm from New York. You know what I'm saying? We eat pizza out there, so I don't really know shit about tacos. But today we gonna be making salmon tacos, bro. I don't know what I'm doing, but that's what we're doing. I never know what I'm doing. I'm just going with the faith of God, and that's always what you should follow. The strength of whoever or whatever you believe in. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so let's get into it one time for the one. If you are new to the channel, please do me a solid one time for the one time and subscribe to the channel, you feel me? And turn on your post noties. Okay, my hair's in my face. Okay, turn on them post noties one time for the one time. And if you're already part of the gang, you already know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down in the comment section below that you already know what the vibes are and that you showed up, and let's get into it. If you're not following me on all my social medias, please follow me on all my social medias so you don't miss out on anything. I know you don't see my Facebook up there, but go follow me on Facebook too. I be up on there, Facebook. I'm getting hip to the reels on there. You know what I'm saying? Facebook and TikTok is not up there, but that's where I be at now. I be chilling, I be vibing. You know what I'm saying? But let's get into this one time for the one time. We about to be doing salmon with salmon tacos with rice and beans. It's not the beans that they be having, I think. I don't know, I'm not sure. So any of my people that, you know, that's from the culture where they be making the tacos, be easy, alright? Be easy on me. I don't need all the extra shenanigans in the comments. Just let me live. Let me be great. Alright, so let's get over to this salmon one time for the one time. Let's season this hoe up and let's get into it. Alright, now that you have your salmon pieces, you want to get your seasonals. Okay, we doing the regular seasonings. You know what I'm saying? I try to switch my shit up sometimes, and then sometimes I don't. You know what I'm saying? I try to keep it simple, but then again, I don't really care. So you want to season these on both sides, you know what I'm saying? You go with the faith of God, per usual. Make sure it just looks nicely coated. This is the Old Bay seasoning that I'm using, by the way. I'm putting a lot of this because, you know, it's just fishy. I don't like when my food tastes like what I'm eating. It's so irritating. See? Put that on there. Okay. Gonna get your Larry's. You don't want to put too much of this, because you already got the Old Bay on there. You don't want to overdo it with the salt. But you just want to make sure your baby is well seasoned. So now you want to go on with the pepper. Alright, now what you want to do is rub your seasonings in. Rub it in to what's happening. You know what I'm saying? Just don't have it sitting there. right. You sit at the side and you clean yourself up. So, now that the water is over there boiling, you know what I'm saying? You want to turn your fire on. Damn. There's already oil in there. I have olive oil sitting in here for our little fishies or whatever. Because we done made love to the fishes if you didn't see. Ha! Joke. Alright, so we about to, you know I'm using the box rice. Uncle Ben's is the only rice that I'll be using because, you know, Uncle Ben's is my uncle. But now I don't know why they got this shit. It says original Ben. This is not original Ben. Uncle Ben is the original Ben. And then they don't even got him on here. You know what this is? Racially motivated. But, damn. See, they even not trying to let nobody up in this hole. Alright, they said this is a long rice. I hate long ass rice, bro, but whatever. I think I said enough. My grandmother used to make rice for my cousin all the time because that's all he used to fucking eat. So that's why I probably love Uncle Ben's rice, because that's all she made for this, bro. Okay, so boom, now that the rice is over there, sitting over there cooking, we about to put these little fishies. Put them face down, ass up. Now, what you want to do with the little salmons is cook them through evenly on each side, you know what I'm saying? While that's cooking through, I'm also going to put these beans in the pot, because I have no idea what I'm doing with these goddamn beans. Oh, bitch! I know you fucking lying. How do you... Alright, y'all, while your salmon is over there cooking with your rice and your beans, what you want to do is now get you an onion. I already done peeled it, but you want to now cut off the sides. Tears! What is happening to my eyes? I can't cut onions to save my life, but this is gonna do. This is gonna have to surpass. Alright, y'all. So in that same pan, what you want to do is just little tortillas. See? And what I like to do is put the cheese on the bottom first. Well, matter of fact, and then we're going to flip those over right quick, and then I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Now, what I had did was take the salmon out of the pot so I can make space for this, and I'm going to break it up on top of the cheese. So now what I want to do is I want to kind of take them out so I can dress them accordingly. Now we're going to go over to the hand cam. Now, I feel like you should dress your tacos accordingly. So now, of course, you want to throw the cheese on top. I love me some cheese to tacos. Throw it on top of there. More cheese. Okay, you know what I'm saying? Now you want to... Alright, so what I did was I put rice and I put beans on top of the salmon tacos. Okay? And then now what you want to do is you want to get your little onions. Put it on top of there. I'm not really a fan of all this extra shit on my tacos. I'm just doing it for y'all. Just keep it in the back of your head when you watch these videos. There's a lot of shit that King doesn't do and she's doing it. So just know that, okay? Throw some onions. Throw some green onions up on that thing. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Then put some cilantro. Okay. I'm not even a fan of cilantro like that either. So just enjoy what you see. Okay. And then, I am a fan of the red sauce though. Yeah. Don't know what I'm doing, but it looks good. Okay. You know tacos is not complete without some lime. So. Yeah. so now as y'all can see, you see how those tacos is looking. Tacos are not complete without a shot of tequila, you know what I'm saying? Even though it's not Tuesday, it's Taco Saturday, and we taking a shot. Let's take a shot. Go find your tequila. Go get it. Go get the tequila. I'm waiting. Period. Period. Go get it. Okay. I got mine. Let's take a shot. Cheers, y'all, to these tacos. Okay. Ooh. Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, okay. Let's move this out the way. All right. Let's take a bite. I'm so excited. Y'all know what to do, man. Give this video a big thumbs up one time for the one time. If you're not subscribed, this is the time. Subscribe now. This is the time. Okay? For you to subscribe to the video. Okay? Okay. I'm nervous. I'm always nervous. I don't know why, but this shit looks immaculate. Ooh, look at the drippy drip. Oh my god. Oh, okay, y'all ready? Oh, okay, I'm not ready, but I'm ready. Okay. Okay, wait. Bro. Oh my god. I'm gonna need 7 of these. Nah, dead ass. I'm gonna need 7. I'm gonna need 7, y'all. I'm gonna need it. Oh no. Bro. Look at this on the inside. You see the cheese? Cheese is cheese on. Salmon is salmon in. Your girl did her thing with this one. Yup. Man, if you enjoyed this video one time for the one time, please subscribe to the channel. Give your girl a big thumbs up and drop a comment down in the comment section below that you enjoyed it. And share it with a friend. Put them on game. Let them know what the vibes are over here. If you are not following me on my other social medias, man, go follow me on other social medias one time for the one time. This is so freaking good, bro. Keep dropping down what you want me to cook in the comment section below, because I'm going to continue to cook all of it, man. I'm going to go tear this up. I'm going to edit this video, clean my house up, and wind the hell down. You guys enjoy the rest of your Saturday/Sunday or whatever day you watching this goddamn video. I love you guys. Peace and happiness, and make sure you guys stay black. Here I go. Walkie slide.